Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete TrustWallet account. Deleting TrustWallet account is super easy. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to delete your TrustWallet account, first, go and tap open your TrustWallet application and sign into your account. Once you end up in your home screen of TrustWallet, go to the settings button at the bottom right. Now, tap on the wallets option at the top. This will take you to your wallet available on your TrustWallet. Tap on the three dots right next to the wallet that you'd like to delete and tap on the trash can at the upper right. Remember that once you delete the wallet, you won't be able to back it up later on. You'll lose all the access to your wallet once you perform this action. From the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on OK, and with this, you'll be able to delete your TrustWallet account. Once you delete your account, if you'd like to use TrustWallet again, you'll need to go ahead and create a new wallet by tapping on Create a New Wallet from the first interface. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.